Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, Rukia Laltia. In case you're new here, please kindly don't forget to subscribe down below, to give this video a big thumbs up, and of course share with others. So today I'm going to show you how to make a simple soft Madeira cake. So without further ado, let's start with this recipe. So the ingredients that we're going to use today to make this Madeira cake, we're going to need 2 cups of wheat flour, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of caster sugar, 150 grams of butter, vanilla essence, lemon, baking powder, and 2 eggs. So without further ado, tune in. In a mixing bowl, you're going to add 1 cup of sugar and 150 grams of butter. Using a spatula, you're going to mix until soft. Once the butter and the sugar are nicely combined, then you're going to add 2 eggs. Using a spatula, I'm going to mix everything well. Then I'm going to go ahead and use my electric mixer to make my mixture more softer. Using a grater, I'm going to grate my lemon because I will need a tablespoon of lemon rind. Then afterwards, I'm going to add a tablespoon of vanilla essence and a tablespoon of lemon juice. Then mix everything well. Using a sieve, you're going to add 2 cups of wheat flour and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Using a spatula, you're going to mix everything well and nice. Lastly, you're going to add 1 cup of warm milk. Add gradually while mixing using a spatula until nicely combined. Then lastly, I'm going to go ahead with my electric hand mixer and mix until everything is well combined and soft. Lastly, you're going to take your baking pan, spray some oil, then add the cake mixture or the batter into the baking pan. Then put it in the oven and bake it at 160 degrees Celsius for 1 hour until nicely baked. After 1 hour, our Madeira cake is ready, as you can able to see in the video. Let it to cool down completely before removing it from the pan. Then lastly, I'm going to go ahead and garnish it with some icing sugar. So let me cut my Madeira cake so you can able to see how nicely baked and how soft this cake looks. Like, this cake is absolutely delicious and it's super soft. Like, guys, you need to try out this recipe and let me know in the comment section how this cake turns out. And our tasty Madeira cake is ready, as you can able to see in the video. This cake looks absolutely delicious and it's super soft and it's so easy to make. You can eat along with a cup of tea, coffee, or anything that you like and enjoy your cake. And if you've enjoyed this recipe, please kindly give this video a big thumbs up and of course share with others. And see you next time. Doei!